Let's prepare on the aeration treatment of water. As the continuation of the water treatment methods, today we are going to see the aeration process. So the aeration process is needed for the water if it has some smell and unwanted gases present there. So when it is aerated, the water absorbs the oxygen and CO2 will be released there, and also other unwanted gases will be released there. H2S, iron and manganese could also be removed by this aeration method. So this can be done by various methods. First one is by spraying nozzles. So by spraying the water, it will be reacted with the air present in the atmosphere, so that the oxygen will be absorbed by the water, and here 90% of CO2 is removed. So the water head has to be maintained of 10 to 14 meters, so that only the pressure will be more, so that the spray nozzles could be sprayed well. The next is the trickle over cascades method. So it is nothing but the flow of water through some series of steps. So the steps will be of total height of 3 meters, and the cascade method gives nearly 60 to 70% of CO2 removal. And the third is compressed air diffusion method. So here through the diffused pipes, the compressed air will be released into the water from the bottom, so that from the bottom to top the bubbles will be formed and it will be reacting with the water. So this is also one type of aeration method. And the last one is trickling beds. So here some 3 layers, generally 3 layers of beds will be given. So the beds will be of perforated plates and the cork will be placed there. So when the water is passing through this, it will absorb the oxygen present in the air. And the spacing of these plates should be of 0.45 meter, and the depth of each plate should be 0.6 meter. So this method is actually less efficient than the spray nozzle method, but it is better than the cascades method. So other than aeration, some chemical compounds also is used for the treatment of the waters. So one is activated carbon. So before and after coagulation, this activated carbon can be added to the water. So this can also enhance the coagulation process of the water, but it should be added before the filtration process. So dosage of activated carbon is nearly 5 to 20 milligram per liter, and this is a very efficient method for the treatment of drinking water. And the another one is copper sulfate. So the copper sulfate is mainly used if algae is present more in the water. So it kills the algae efficiently, and the dosage is of nearly 0.5 to 0.65 milligram per liter. Thank you, and keep watching for the next lecture on desalination of water.